Welcome to learners. Practice 300 English words with clear pronunciation. Read a short paragraph to test yourself. Practice daily and grow confident in English.
My dear friend, to improve your pronunciation, listen carefully and repeat after the audio. Don't just watch the video, start practicing.
Dove, Artful, Knox, Cedar, Mop, Woven, Blame, Bitter, Worse, Plain, Wise, Band, Prior, Obtain, Flame, Baffle, Horn, Owner, Knee, Ibis, Told, Email, Pan, Bet, Riot, Raw, Inspire, Admin, Shall, Patent, Harsh, Pulse, Ally, Zipped, Wept, Lie, Redeem, Quirk, Cellar, Reap, Tie, Grain, Thumb, Outer, Erode, Punch, Envoy, Junk, Rescue, Notch, Rack, Sub, Merry, Boost, Minor, Precise, Ignore, Zapped, Cafe, Reedy, Banyan, Wife, Xiphoid, Wool, Capital, Amen, Poet, Elf, Eerie, Witty, Wren, Custom, Isle, Bacon, Vital, Dirt, Pause, Toil, Mosaic, Zoning, Mouth, Sum, Aim, Hate, Dart, Gulf, Fuel, Quill, Total, Utah, Meter, Fuss, Dock, Don, Imp, Opinion, Nudity, Pie, Thrive, Pit, Loan, Yen, Hat, Reef, Vat, Gist, Womb, Wonder, Tire, Pale, Road, Ale, Yard, Slip, Jewel, Vanish, Enter, Rough, Fair, Kint, Actor, Marvel, Ash, Elate, Zigzag, 5, Plug, Fill, Clover, Arch, Ready, Attain, Alas, Nested, Lamb, Grass, Pile, Joke, Winch, Rakes, Xylitol, Ski, Coat, Babble, Done, Coma, Inject, Team, West, Woad, Azure, Usher, Leap, Van, Sane, Nibble, Margin, Sue, Nuance, Read, Ratio, Inflate, Quip, Drain, Monster, Improve, King, Dub, Attend, Zippy, Winged, Inlet, Rifle, Dare, Woke, Tab, Zulu, Icy, Spy, Jeep, Troop, Zap, Tease, Gory, Stain, Throw, Dome, Pool, Weep. Dial. Yield. Vigor. Narrow. Paste. Beauty. Ogre. Torture. Trash. Bladder. Waxen. Coral. Load. Eat. Nuke. 8. Motion. Wretch. Hive. Snow. Slight. Beware. Hood. Grand. Aims. Method. Rake. Debt. Suit. Process. Bicycle. Taxi. Strain. Lead. Egged. Intact. Goes. Max. Hid. Died. Score. Floor. Vivid. Core. Hug. Theft. Tornado. Red. Mimic. Hang. Zig. Teeth. Jam. Entry. Oppose. Hurt. Not. XYL. Zonal. Fury. Prompt. Super. Amount. Racial. Yip. Folk. Shut. Broken. Wash. Mob. Xylos. Yaw. Vent. Cow. Sag. Loom. Xenon. Grant. Reigns. Rank. Sick. Bonus. Wedged. Unfit. Gym. Xylophone. Induce. Mountain. Heal. Provide. Zipper. Practice. Quiet. Third. Tide. Vast. Iris. Expel. Airy. Tight. Orient. Reels. Niches. Panic. Fight. Prize. Tail. Foul. Gear. Roll. Lint.
Congratulations! Now it is time for a self-test. We will give you a paragraph from the list of words provided. Just read it and rate your level.
Beneath a forgotten capital, an envoy crept through a cellar, boots crunching over grain and shattered mosaic tiles. A rusted rifle leaned on a rack, while a jewel glimmered faintly near an ink-stained quill. Zipped maps, marked with zonal codes, revealed a path to a vault guarded by banyan roots. The air reeked of dirt, fuel, and ash, as shadows danced in a flame's flicker. He paused, heart pounding like a drum, senses sharp as a wolf's. A door groaned open, revealing torture devices and bladder jars, relics of a cruel age. The envoy tightened his grip, ready to redeem history's secrets.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We believe this video is tremendously useful to you. Please share it with your students, friends, and family members so they can also learn and benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English learning videos.